Evangelist Nungari ũrĩa ũkũrehagĩra tabarĩra ya njanjo ya mũtũrĩre Menamanyarĩ Kameme FM na oho no ararũĩrĩra gĩtĩ gĩa Women Rep Kiambu nĩatigĩtwo na kĩeha kĩnene thutha wa Facebook page yake gũtharario. She has revealed that someone has sabotaged her Facebook page ĩrĩa ahũthagĩra nĩyo Evangelist Nungari official page nĩrĩgĩtie gũtharario nĩ mũndũ ũtoĩkaine. Nungari says she does not know who the person is behind the evil act, but sadly the page has been sabotaged. She did not elaborate further on what the damage on her page was. All she said is that someone has decided to sabotage her page, na akiumbũra ndeto ici kũrĩ mafans ake. Oho nĩararĩirie mũndũ ũcio ũramwendera ũru na njĩra ya kũmũthũkĩria Facebook page ĩyo, akĩmũririkania atĩ it is through that page that she is able to help so many people, and so destroying it will be denying so many people out there a chance to get help. Tondũ page ĩno yake Nungari nĩahotaga gũteithia andũ aingĩ mũno. I'm sure you've seen her help so many people through this page. Na akĩarĩria mafans ake nĩaugĩte atĩ whoever decided to sabotage this page, be informed that you can also carry the problems we do post in this page. No one would wish to go through those problems. Ni kujipata na mashida. And with those few remarks, tumewaachia Mungu. Na aracoka arongerera ati my people hawaonangi this page, neither notification. I heard that kuna watu hulipwa wa report. Let God deal with them now. Naye Mungu ni nani? When a door is closed, he opens up double. She says that hena mũndũ ũrarĩ handũ maripot page yake such that her notifications tirakinyĩra fans ake na ona page yake ndĩronekana nĩ mafans ake. But she is leaving it to God. Ngai nĩwe ũkũmũrũĩra mbara ĩno. Na oho Nungari nĩacakaĩte gĩkuũ kĩa this legend from Kiambu akiuga gone too soon mũndũ mũtongu from Mũchatha. Our legend, we will forever remember you. Can't imagine the joy when I visited you. How you love what I do. Oh no. Anyway, rest well Papa, shine on your way. He was a leader and elder in Mũchatha, Kiambu. Na Nungari nĩaugĩte atĩ nĩarakenagio mũno nĩ wĩrutĩri na wĩra wa Nungari, and she's filled with great sorrow and sadness to learn of his death. May he rest in eternal peace. And do not forget, subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.